What? Cutie patootie. Ow. What's Daddy doing? Hey, get off of there. No, let's not destroy the rug. Hey, no. Sophia! 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 Run, Sophia, run! Run, Sophia, run! Oh no, get my teeth! Get my teeth! What's that? Oh boy! Oh! You're like a piranha. I feel like outside I'm not gonna be able to see. You're such a... Stop chewing on your leash. Come on. You crazy dog. Come on outside. Outdoors. Hey. Outdoors. Come on.
Come on.
Pookie, pookie. She was just sleeping. We gave her a bath earlier and she wasn't too happy about it at all, but she desperately needed one. Hey, don't bite. Now I'm just waiting for Chris to get home from shopping with his dad. And that's pretty much it for today. We just hung out with Sophia. And she got excited and played with her and then she slept. And we're probably actually going to be here at his parents' house until like Thursday rather than Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, so I may not be able to film much more than her tomorrow either, but we will see. So I hope you all are still having an awesome holiday break, because I know I am. Good night, and I love you all, and I will see you, and so will Sophia tomorrow. Bye, Sophia, say bye. Say bye.